This is how to spline a torque converter on a 2011 Mitsubishi Galant transmission. And it has, would you say 3 what?
You'll just hear 3
Spline.
distinct
Spline.
thuds. You know, it's the different splines. You know, you get it up, and you have to turn it. Sometimes a little bit. You'll hear it as it goes in. Yeah, there.
That thud.
Yep, there's the third one.
There's
Yep. So that there, and you should be able to turn it, no problem. So she's there.
and explain the gap.
And then when you know if it's on properly, you get you a straight edge and come, you know, put your straight edge across here as if, just say this would be your straight edge. You just kind of go from here and you measure from the flat surface there where your flywheel bolts go, and from that edge, I'm sorry, these big old gloves, from this edge right here where the bolt is to your flat edge here to the inside, which is pretty much, you know, the same as here to this outside edge here, is right at a 1/2 inch. So this lip right here should be, I mean, like less than a 1/16 of an inch shy of a 1/2 inch. So maybe that'll help you guys out.
Alright, and again, that's how you put a torque converter in that splines in 3 times. See ya.
Distinctive thuds.